Now, back home, the state that is seeing a concerning rise in COVID cases is the national capital, Delhi. Let's take a look at the centre's measures to fight the COVID spike in Delhi. The RT-PCR testing capacity will be increased to 60,000 tests by the end of November. The DRDO will be adding 250 ICU beds to its already existing capacity of ICU beds. Additional 45 doctors and 160 paramedics will be deployed at DRDO Hospital and COVID Centre at Chhatarpur. More doctors and medics will be reaching Delhi in the next few days. 10 multidisciplinary teams will be visiting more than 100 private hospitals in Delhi to assess the bed utilization and testing capacity. There will be train coaches with 800 beds at the Shakur Basti railway station. 250 ventilators will be coming from Bengaluru and will be reaching here in the national capital by this weekend. And there will be house-to-house surveys that will be starting by this weekend. So this is the centre's plan to battle the COVID crisis in the national capital. Meanwhile, the Delhi government has capped the guests at wedding ceremonies in the national capital to 50. So no more than 50 people will be allowed at weddings in Delhi, as the state government now has revised the 200 limit that it had earlier given amid the surge in COVID cases. That limit from 200 has been revised back to 50. And amid this rise in cases in Delhi, the Deputy Chief Minister has reiterated that as of now there is no plan for a lockdown in Delhi.
देखिए, दिल्ली सरकार का लॉकडाउन का कोई इरादा नहीं है और हम ये भी मानते हैं कि लॉकडाउन कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है कोरोना से लड़ने में। एजी साहब की मंजूरी हो गई है और ये भी बहुत जरूरी था क्योंकि पब्लिक जितना ज्यादा एक जगह पे इकट्ठी होगी उतना ही नुकसान है। तो बिल्कुल भी लॉकडाउन नहीं करना है, लेकिन पब्लिक को बहुत ज्यादा इकट्ठा होने से रोकना है। तो उसके लिए जो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, जो रेगुलेशंस की जरूरत पड़ेगी वो समय समय पे सरकार पूरी नजर रख रही है, मार्केट्स में भी रख रही है, बाकी जगह भी रख रही है। जहां से ज्यादा कोरोना के केसेस आएंगे वहां अगर पब्लिक को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करने के लिए कुछ कदम उठाए गए तो ठीक है, उसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी तो उठाएंगे, लेकिन कोई लॉकडाउन नहीं है।
Now, in order to assess and prevent cross-border infection from Delhi, the Gautam Budh Nagar District Administration has decided that it will randomly test commuters entering Noida by road or through the metro with the help of rapid antigen kits. Now, teams of the health department have been deployed randomly at any of the 5 major road entry exit points from Delhi or at any of the 11 metro stations in Noida connected with Delhi. This is for random testing of the commuters who are coming into Noida from the national capital. Meanwhile, more steps taken by the Delhi government to fight COVID. The Delhi Chief Minister has now called for an all-party meeting on the COVID crisis. The Chief Minister has invited the BJP and the Congress for the COVID meet, and that meeting is going to be held tomorrow at 11 o'clock at the State Secretariat. All right, let's take it to our guest this evening. The big focus at this hour is, of course, the Delhi's fight against COVID. We are joined by Dr. Suranjit Chatterjee of the Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals, Vijay Jolly, the leader of the BJP. Also will be with us is Saurabh Bhardwaj, the MLA of the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's go across to Dr. Suranjit Chatterjee first. Dr. Chatterjee, in your assessment, how serious is the COVID crisis in Delhi right now?
The numbers are definitely high, and the number of serious cases are also increasing by the day.
Yes.
So obviously, this is the time when both the numbers and the serious cases have increased, and this is the time which we were actually dreading that this day might come. And we always felt that the festivities, the pollution, the temperature, the cold weather, and the complacency of people has added on to all the complication, all the problems.
Yes.
People thought that COVID has gone, and they were really liberal in doing all the things which
Yes.
we have been warning against. So at this moment in a hospital, obviously it's difficult to get beds even in the normal wards or in the ICU.
Yes.
ICU is being highlighted again and again, but let me tell you, it is very important that we have the beds and the manpower to manage it, because quite a few times we have seen that it is not essential that we always require a ventilator, but what is important is that the manpower has to be available, the beds have to be available to monitor and do the treatment.
Right.
Ventilator
Are you
one of the
fearing,
modalities.
Dr. Chatterjee, are you fearing if the urgent steps are not taken, the medical facilities will be overwhelmed in the national capital?
Yeah, basically, we as citizens of this city and the country have invited this problem for us. And the extent to which the numbers have gone up, even the best healthcare system in the country, like Delhi has one of the best healthcare systems in the country,
Yes.
might be overwhelmed the way it happened in US, in New York, which was again the best healthcare system that they had.
Yes.
So we are almost facing the same problem. And I would say that people of Delhi have also invited the problem along with the pollution and the cold weather and the festivities.
All right, Saurabh Bhardwaj, the leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, is with us. Mr. Bhardwaj, are these actions coming a bit late in the day? We saw the crowds at markets ahead of Diwali with no social distancing. Now to shut markets which could emerge as possible COVID hotspots. Is this delayed action?
I think this was a kind of a decision which was taken collectively by all the governments across the country in India, because we had seen that lockdown caused a lot of economic havoc, that our GDP was minus 27%.
Yes.
And I don't think a lockdown would have been an option, but yes, I think people should have been more careful. I think there were a lot of awareness campaigns by the government.
Yes.
A lot of people were told about it, but I think probably there is a lot of sentiment involved with respect to Diwali and this festival season, and even the
Yes.
Prime Minister had warned the people that this can lead to spurt in infections. And even if I discount this season Diwali, you can see that there is a surge. For last 2 months we could see a surge in infection.
Yes.
Even in the countries in Europe, whether it's
Mr.
Poland,
Bhardwaj,
France, Italy.
are the numbers of this festival, the crowds at the festival, being factored in, or will that reflect in a week to 10 days to come?
I believe the festive season starts with the Durga Puja, when people come out in Navratras and all. So I think this festive season goes on for almost a month, like 10 Navratras and then 20 days to Diwali, which
Right.
includes everything like Karwa Chauth, Choti Diwali,
All right.
and things like that. So I think we have seen the kind of surge
Yes.
which we were expecting in the festivals, and now we have also requested the central government, because central
Right.
government also has 20,000 beds
Yes.
in Delhi in the name of central government hospitals.
Yes.
So that if they can also provide us beds.
All right,
ICU
let me
beds
take that
for
to
corona patients, it
Mr.
can be
Vijay
helpful.
Jolly. Mr. Jolly, what do you make of the efforts that the Aam Aadmi Party government is taking? They have called an all-party meeting. Will you attend it?
Well, you see, this is all a cosmetic exercise, considering the fact a few months ago, in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic,
Yes.
the Delhi government had thought it prudent
Yes.
to open up the liquor vends in the capital. And I was astonished to see long queues outside the Sharab ka thekas in the capital.
Right.
What prompted Arvind Kejriwal government in the capital
Yes.
to have allowed the liquor vends to have opened up in the middle of this pandemic? What
Did you-
allowed
did you
the
object
Delhi
to
government,
it then?
Please allow me to complete my sentence.
Yes.
What allowed the Delhi government to open up the weekly markets in the capital?
Right.
What allowed the Delhi government to increase the wedding guest list from 50 to 200?
Yes.
What allowed the opening of the restaurants in the capital? What
Right.
allowed the shopping malls in the capital?
Yes.
And now at the fag end, convening an all-party meeting is just throwing mud in the eyes of the people of the capital when Delhi government has failed to
Yes.
curb the increasing cases of COVID-19.
Right.
It is calling the Delhi political parties on the table. It is the non-serious efforts of the Delhi
All right, let
government.
Mr. Bhardwaj
It has
respond
done
to that.
very
Mr.
little
Bhardwaj, your right to
control
reply.
this pandemic in the capital.
Okay. So I would like to know from Mr. Vijay Jolly one BJP ruled state where they have still closed the liquor.
I am
vends.
talking
I
about
would
Delhi
like to know.
state. Don't
Let's-
talk about
let's
BJP
talk about
state.
Delhi, Mr.
I am
Bhardwaj.
talking about the in-city of
Let's
Delhi,
not indulge in
ruled
whataboutery.
by the
Talk about
Aam
Delhi,
Aadmi
sir.
Party
I'm
and
just
Arvind
keen to know.
Kejriwal
Yes,
government.
Mr. Jolly,
Don't
let
talk
Mr.
about
Bhardwaj
Delhi
respond.
state.
Let me speak.
Yes.
Let me speak.
Talk about
Yesterday
Delhi.
when
are
we were
talking about
speaking,
the
Mr. Jolly, let Mr.
COVID-19
Bhardwaj
in Delhi,
complete his
the
point. I'll give you a
pandemic in
chance to
Delhi,
reply.
The threat perception
think-
in the capital.
Yes, you made that point. Mr.
I
Bhardwaj,
think,
go ahead.
I think he should not interrupt me, otherwise I will not let him speak. Okay? Mr. Jolly,
Okay, you start
know
off.
it better.
You start off. I will not
Mr.
allow you
Jolly,
to
let him
speak.
speak.
You
Okay.
have played havoc
Mr.
with the
Bhardwaj,
lives
let's talk
of
about the
people in
situation in
capital.
Delhi
You
here.
are threatening me? You are
Okay.
threatening me?
Yes, Mr. Joker, I am threatening you.
You are a joker. You are
Let's
a joker.
not make personal
Yeah,
attacks
okay,
here,
okay,
Mr.
okay,
Bhardwaj.
okay,
Let's
okay,
not
okay.
make
You
personal
call me
attacks.
a
Let's
joker.
talk about
You
the
are a
issue at
joker.
hand.
Your chief minister is a
Let's
joker.
talk about, okay,
Are
gentlemen.
you a spokesperson of the
Okay,
Aam
gentlemen,
Aadmi
let's behave in a civil manner. Let's not make personal attacks, Mr. Bhardwaj.
What
Stick to
has
the
he
point.
said?
Right, Mr.
Mr.
Jolly, I've told him not to
ask
make
him
personal
correct
attacks,
his
Mr.
words.
Bhardwaj.
I
Let's
will
stick to
not
the issue
allow
at
him to
hand.
speak, this language on this
Right,
channel.
If you interrupt me,
Mr.
I'll
Bhardwaj,
again call
let's
you
talk
the
about
same
the
thing.
issue at hand.
What has he spoken?
The state of Delhi
He should
is going
apologize.
through a serious
You keep
COVID
crying, you
crisis.
keep
Let's not
shouting.
call each other names. Let's talk about the issue at hand. Mr. Bhardwaj, respond to Mr. Jolly's point.
Okay.
Why did you?
I would like
Why
to
are you
know-
taking these steps
Yes.
now? Why not earlier?
Yes. I would like to know from Mr. Jolly, one BJP rule state they have not opened the liquor vents. I would like to know from them
You
why
talk
they
about
are
the capital.
still-
I am talking
Let's
about
talk-
Delhi.
No. I'm
Mr.
talking about the
Bhardwaj, let
country,
him,
it's the whole country.
Mr. Jolly, let him speak. Mr. Bhardwaj, complete your point.
No, I'll talk
दिल्ली
about
में
the
सात
country.
All right,
करोड़
Mr.
आठ
Jolly,
सौ
let him,
बारह
Mr.
लोग
Jolly,
आए
I'll
हैं।
give you a right to reply. Let's keep this conversation civil. Mr. Jolly, I'll give you a right to reply. Mr. Bhardwaj, quickly finish your point.
Yes. I want to know which BJP rule state has still limited the number of guests in the wedding. Is it UP?
What is
Is
he
it
talking
Haryana?
about?
But
What is he
Mr.
talking about?
Bhardwaj, the
Gujarat?
question here is Delhi
No,
is
I
seeing
just
the
want to
rise
know
in
from him.
cases.
Talk about Delhi. What is he
Cases have
talking?
been
Mr. Jolly, I'll give you a
everywhere.
chance.
की बात
Please
कर रहे
have
हैं।
patience,
Cases
Mr.
have
Jolly.
been
रूल स्टेट की बात कर रहे हैं।
क्यों देश की बात नहीं करेंगे? देश नहीं है हमारा, सिर्फ दिल्ली पूरा देश है। क्यों नहीं बात करेंगे देश की?
अरे दिल्ली
All right, let's keep this-
दिल्ली की जनता ने चुनकर भेजा है।
All right, this conversation is going nowhere, Mr. Jolly, Mr. Bhardwaj. Mr. Jolly and Mr. Bhardwaj, let's calm the tempers down. Please hold on. Let me go to Dr. Chatterjee for the moment. Dr. Chatterjee, let me come to you. The Delhi government has ruled out any lockdown in the national capital, but some experts talk of what they call is a circuit breaker lockdown. Do you think that Delhi needs one such circuit breaker lockdown or not?
Yeah, it might definitely help the way Delhi is going. But I personally, if you ask me, I am not very pro lockdowns, because initially when the lockdowns was done, I was totally in favor of the initial lockdown, because that gave us time to prepare, that made us understand the disease better. But now if you have lockdowns again and again, the economy obviously is going to be in trouble. But it is the duty of all citizens of this city and the country that they restrain themselves so that the economy survives. The healthcare system is not over. But yes, if we are forced to, then lockdown is the answer, which I would not be very happy with. But I think it is the citizens of this city and country who have invited this for us.
All right. Dr. Chatterjee, one quick question before I try and go back to the politicians. I'll try my best to go back to them and keep the conversation civil. Dr. Chatterjee, the centre has said that the RT-PCR testing capacity is being increased to 60,000 tests. How crucial is testing going to be in this fight against COVID?
See, testing has been always important because
Yes.
it tells you the number of cases. You can isolate the cases. You can quarantine the cases. Testing is always very important. So we should not be ever scared of testing as many people as possible if we have the facilities and the kits available, because this only limits the number of cases. This limits the spread of cases to the elderly people or people who are at risk. So I am very much in favor of increased testing as of right now, because that will only help us. It will obviously increase the scare that the numbers might go up further, but at least it will help us limit the disease to certain numbers and to take care of people who are already sick and to treat them properly.
Right. Saurabh Bhardwaj, let me come to you. What is the aim of this all-party meeting that the Chief Minister has called? And how are you going to ensure going forward that there is social distancing and COVID etiquettes are being followed in public places?
I think there is no doubt that Corona is a global pandemic, and we believe that we should not get into the political bickering. Instead, all the forces, all the political forces, social forces, NGOs, media should come together and fight it. That's the only way we can fight it. We have seen the top nations of the world, which are much ahead of us in terms of medical technology, in terms of economy. Even they are suffering, We have seen the scenes of patients lying in the corridors of the hospitals in France, Italy, UK, and I'm happy and I'm relieved that such scenes are not happening in the country. because we have to work together against
etiquettes
it.
at public
we should not
places,
fight
sir?
amongst each other.
Has the government thought of ensuring COVID etiquettes being followed at public places? How will you ensure that? Because ahead of Diwali, we saw huge crowds with no social distancing at the markets in Delhi.
Yes. I feel sorry that, although the mask imposition was supposed to be done in the market, but unfortunately the police had barricaded the main roads. They were more interested in knowing whether people who are driving the cars are wearing the mask or not. When 90% of the people who are traveling in the cars, they come from the same family. They are sleeping in the same bedroom. So I think the implementation of masks should have been done by police in the markets and the public places instead of doing it on the cars.
Are you saying the police is at fault here, sir? All right, let me go to Mr. Vijay Jolly for one final comment. The centre has taken a number of steps, Mr. Jolly. This is a fight that everyone has to fight, the governments and the citizens. Are you on board with the Aam Aadmi Party in terms of steps being taken by the centre as well as the Aam Aadmi Party government?
You see, I would wish to compliment the Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and the Union Health Minister, Mr. Harshvardhan. First on 18th June and secondary on 15th of November, when they convened a specific meeting of all the stakeholders,
yes,
the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, the Chief Minister of Delhi, the Chief Secretary,
yes,
and the health and the paramedics in the capital,
yes,
whereby historic decisions were taken to
yes,
safeguard the lives of the citizens of the capital,
yes,
because every day 7,614 deaths on 15th November, on
yes,
16th November.
Now the Aam Aadmi Party has called an all-party meeting. Are you going to attend it, sir?
17th November, 7,812 deaths. I would wish to compliment with the augmentation of the ICU beds in the capital, flying in doctors, paramedics, providing more health facilities.
Yes.
The central government is doing its best,
yes,
but the Delhi government is indulging in thetics on the red lights on and off. Its whole concentration
Mr. Jolly, is your party going to attend that all-party meeting?
And also not taking this pandemic very seriously when there is all around.
All right, you're not committing on that.
The people in the capital are under the threat of this COVID-19 pandemic, and
yes,
if the ruling party MLAs
right,
or the opposition doing
all right, we've reflected on all those
it
decisions
is a
that the
very,
centre has
very,
taken. Yes,
sorry state of affairs
right,
in the capital which is going
all
on.
right, all right. Saurabh Bhardwaj, Vijay Jolly and Dr. Suranjit Chatterjee, thank you very much for joining us on this discussion. If what we witnessed between the politicians on this show is anything to go by, I wonder whether this all-party meeting will achieve anything at